Installing the Quartix Connect and Track device is simple. It takes less than 10 minutes, and other than an insulated wrench, everything you need is provided with the device. Before starting, note the device's serial number by writing it down or taking a picture. Ensure that the number on the unit matches the number on the box. Make sure the vehicle's engine is turned off and that the vehicle is outside or the garage door is open. This enables the unit to receive a good GPS signal during installation. The device should be fitted on the top side of the battery or close to the battery charging posts. Position the device facing upwards with the status LEDs visible. Do not position the unit on its side or with anything obstructing it, except for the hood. Use the supplied alcohol wipe to clean the surface area. Remove the tape from the Velcro strips and secure the unit. Ensure it fits with no possibility of obstructing the hood or the battery cover. We would also suggest that you avoid leaving the cables touching any hot surfaces, such as the engine cover. The device's red wire connects to the battery positive terminal. The black connects to the negative or chassis bolt. We recommend using a tool to loosen the battery terminal clamps that has an insulated handle. Be extremely careful not to touch the bodywork or chassis with any part of the tool when working on the positive terminal. Do not remove the terminal nuts from the battery. Loosen one terminal nut at a time and insert the power connector under the nut. Retighten the nut, taking great care with the positive terminal. As soon as the device is connected to the battery, the two LEDs will begin to flash. Wait for the GPS LED to stay on permanently. Use a small cable tie and cable pad to secure the wires. Close the hood and turn the ignition on. When you have connected the device and driven the vehicle, email system support with the device's serial number, license plate number, vehicle description, and the email address where reports should be sent. Please allow one working day for the vehicle to appear on your account. If you have any questions, contact our support team at 1-855-913-6663 or email support@quartix.com.